use a Chrome extension, or if you are using any other browser, so you have to search for extension like auto short scroll. Like here it shows auto YouTube short scroller, YouTube shorts auto scroller, YouTube shorts scroller. So like this extension, you have to add it to Chrome, and it will work automatically. When you turn on it, it will automatically scroll whatever video you are watching. So, and if you want to uh, enable auto scroll on Android, you can also go into the Google Play Store and search for automatic scroll and something similar like that, and you will see many apps like this, and you have to install it, and it will do the job for you and auto scroll all the shorts and videos you want. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below if this helped. Till the next video.